Welcome to Form3. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Form3 Payments Technology Review My Usage Experience. Form3 Payments Technology Review My Usage Experience offers a cloud-based payments processing platform designed for businesses. Its main purpose is to provide a secure and efficient way to manage payments, aiming at businesses of all sizes needing a robust and flexible solution. Key features likely include APIs for integration into existing systems, various payment method support, and robust security protocols. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Form3 positions itself as a modern and scalable alternative to traditional payment processors. They highlight ease of integration via their APIs and boast high security standards. Their website mentions transparent pricing, though specifics are only available after contacting sales. They utilize a microservices architecture, allowing for flexibility and customization. Availability is global, but specific regional support may vary. You can check their website for details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Form3 Payments Technology Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well documented, and I was able to connect my existing merchant account within a couple of hours. Navigating the interface was intuitive, at least after the initial learning curve. The dashboard clearly displayed key metrics like transaction volume and processing fees. I particularly appreciated the detailed reporting features, which allowed me to track payments and identify trends. Performance-wise, the system was consistently reliable and fast, processing payments almost instantly. I had a quick question about a specific API endpoint and their support responded within 24 hours via email, very responsive. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the customizability of the reporting. One minor drawback was the initial complexity of the API documentation. It took me a little while to fully grasp all the functionalities. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Form3. It's a powerful platform, and although there's a learning curve, the benefits significantly outweigh the minor initial hurdles. That's my overview of Form3 Payments Technology Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Form3 for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.